Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how to disable call recording on your iPhone on iOS 18. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also be sure to put your likes and write comments after watching this video. So, let's get started with you and me. And now I will show you everything step by step. First of all, you need to open up the settings on your iPhone. In the settings, scroll down a little bit and at the very bottom, find the app option. Click on it. And then please find your phone. Click on it. And here you'll need to scroll down to the bottom as well. And you can find the option to record calls, if you have it and it's available on your iPhone. You can find it right here. Unfortunately, I don't have it, but I'll show you how you can turn it off using another function as an example. So when you find the option to record calls, just click on it. And if it's enabled, it'll be lit up in this green color like this. To turn it off, you'll just need to click on that button. And as you can see, this kind of button turns gray. This means that this feature is no longer active. Here is such a quick and easy method you can very easily disable call recording on iOS 18 iPhone. I really hope, friends, that you found this video helpful and useful. Please don't forget to put likes, write comments, and please subscribe to this channel. Take care, friends.